Welcome students, welcome once again to the web classes. In the previous lecture, we understood that how many types of verbs are there. Today, what we are going to understand is verb form. It is in the same topic, parts of speech, English grammar, right? How many verb forms are there? If we calculate, really we know that there are four types of verbs, right? Four forms of verb, I'm sorry. The first one is root, the second one is past, the third one is past participle, and the fourth one is present participle. Often we know them with the name of like V1, V2, we call it V3, and we call it V4 or generally sometimes we call it, right? So there are four forms of verbs. Like if we go for verbs, like there are several verbs which have same verb forms as well, which have different verb form as well. Like we are taking the first example, go. Here all the verb forms are different, right? The first root form is go, past form is went, past participle is gone, and the present participle is going. So it is not necessary like all the verb forms should be equal or should be different. Like there are several verb forms which is equal in the past form and past participle as well. Just like pay. Here root is paid, past is paid, past participle is also paid, and present participle is paid. So any two verb form can be seen, right? Here past and past participle is same. It can happen like root form and past participle form is also same. Just like come, right? Come. Past form is came, past participle is again come, and present participle is coming. Right? It is possible that all three root, past, and past participle can be same. Just like cut, cut, cut. Present participle is always cutting. Right? Present participle, we know what is present participle. What do we do with that? So it is always V1 plus ing. Right? It is always V1 plus ing. We include we include ing in the root form. So here there are four forms of verbs, and we often confuse where should we use them, right? In which tense we should use which form. So here I have a table for you, right? I will write each and everything. It is a really easy table. Apart from this, there is also one table which is also based on tense, and you will have a complete idea that where can I place the tense forms, where can I place the verb forms, and how can I construct a sentence as well. So in the simple present tense, we always use root. Sometimes we use root plus s or es, right? If it is a positive sentence, it is a affirmative sentence, then we use root s plus es. If it is negative, then we only use root form with do or does. In the past form, we use past form of verb. In the past tense, simple past tense, we use past form of the verb. In the simple future tense, we always use root form of the verb forms, right? Present continuous, we will always use present participle. Present participle, right? Again, past continuous, present participle, there is no change. Again, simple future continuous, present participle, there is no change. Right? In the present perfect tense, it will be past participle. What will be in past perfect? Also past participle. In future perfect, there will also be past participle. Right? So, what do we use with present perfect continuous tense? Again, present participle. Once again, present participle. Once again, present participle. So it is really easy to understand where can we use which kind of a verb form, right? And often we are making many kind of mistakes while using the verb forms. So we just need to understand few simple things while going for continuous tense. We will always use present participle. whether it is present tense, past tense or future tense. I have done these things for you, right? What is present participle? It is always V1 plus ing. We need to understand this thing, right? So whenever we are making a sentence within present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, or present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous, we need to always use present participle as the verb form of that verb. So I hope you guys have understood this thing, right? There is only one place, which is the simple past tense, that we use past form of these verb forms, right? So this is very clear. Often we are doing this mistake, we are getting confused ourselves as well, that where do we use past form? We are also using past form in past perfect tense as well. But no, we should not do that, right? We should always use past form of the verb at simple past tense only. So there is only one place to use past form, and there are two places to use root form, which are simple present tense and simple future tense. Apart from that, if there is any continuous sentence, right, then we will always use present participle. If there is perfect sentence, then we will always use past participle. So I hope you guys have understood this thing. Stay safe, stay home. We will surely meet soon. Thank you.